Hello, everybody. Here we are, the last day of 7th grade for you. Um, just wanted to do a quick have a great summer video. And I'm going to provide an opportunity for you to go ahead and post and just say, similar message to all your classmates if you'd like. Although I'm guessing many of you are on social media and connected that way. Gosh, think about the year. Starting off as 7th graders in a brand new building for you. Lots of brand new people in the building anyway. Having the first year as middle schoolers. You're the first 7th graders at Washington Middle School. Working through more than half of a year at school. And really just finding your wings and working through trials and tribulations and learning and, so many changing relationships at school. Learning to respect each other, learning to be kind to each other, regardless, learning to have an appreciation for each other, regardless of who we are. It's been a heck of a year. So I just want you to go off to summer, finish out this last half day. Some of you might already be done. Finish out the last half day, close the door on 7th grade. Keep your fingers crossed for 8th grade. My hope is that we're all together, working together, learning next fall. I hope that you have an enjoyable summer. Definitely get outside. That's important. Work on something tangible. Find a project, something you can build, something you can create, from paper and pencil to whatever else you want it to be. Spend time with family as much as you can. If you get a chance to see friends, be responsible, have some fun. I'd like to tell you that it's been, it's always one of the craziest times of year for me, the last day. We usually have a big ceremony. We have a big breakfast together at Washington, and then we all go down to the auditorium and we have a end of the year talent show. The day before would have been awards. Oh, excuse me. And then we all go out to the front courtyard area and people get a chance to say goodbye, give lots of hugs, sign yearbooks. And we don't have that. So maybe today what you want to do is make a quick little video clip, or even just a snip, just a photo, waving goodbye with a have a great summer message. You guys are really good at posting, like filters and things on there. But have a good summer. Stay safe. Thank you. It's always a privilege to have the kiddos that we have as our students. So thanks for being our students. Thanks for being Washington Wolves. We really appreciate it. Hope to see your faces in the hallways next year. Even though we won't be in the same wings. I'll be in the same spot. I hope many of you decide to stop by and say hello. If you're not coming back to Washington next year, if you're moving or anything like that, also, thank you. Thank you for being a part of our Washington Wolf family and for being a part of Gold House. What a cool first year. What a cool experiment that we're doing. And I just really think there were a lot of really special parts to this year. A lot of crazy parts like COVID-19 and stuff, but a lot of really special parts. Be good, be safe, and be true to yourself. And I really hope that I see you in the halls next year or see you down the road at some point. Okay, guys, have a fantastic summer.